Hey guys, in this video I'll be giving you 3 gospel based licks you can apply to your worship groove. If you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description. Click on the link, it will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. We'll be doing the breakdown on key E flat, okay, and we'll be applying the lick on 176, okay. And as usual, I'll be giving you 3 licks, so I'll be breaking them into 3 steps. Okay guys, so let's look at the first step. So it goes like this. Let me break it down for you. So the progression, dun, dun, dun. Okay, so that is the lick. So you just have to take it slowly. 1. That is from your 1 to your 7. Okay, so you have 1, 3, 5, 1. You understand? Okay, then descend from your 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Now to your 7. Okay, because we'll be looking on 176. Okay, so now to your 6. Okay, you understand? So you have 2, 2 sharp, 3, 5, 1, 6. I hope you got that. Okay, so you just need to take it very slowly. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. You see that the first one, there's a little bit delay over there. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, you understand? So dun, 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 dun. Okay, so if you want to bring it here, you understand? Okay, so this is the first one. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I'll be doing the main breakdown, the full breakdown version of this song, where I'll be applying a lot of licks and a lot of fills for my private student. Okay, so if you don't want to miss more on this kind of groove, you should kindly join my private lesson so that you don't miss stuff like this. Okay, so I hope you're understanding the concept. You just need to take it down slowly. Okay. Okay, so okay, so now let's look at the second step. Okay, so this is the second part of the bass lick. Okay, so as you all know, 176. Okay, so what I did here is a little bit tricky, but I'll try and break it down so that you understand the concept of what I played here. Okay, so da da da. Okay, so what I did was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I applied the lick, dun dun, and it goes like this. You slide to your 1. I'm gonna break it down for you. Okay, this is the first one. You slide to your 1, then 5, 3, 5, 3, 1, 5. Okay, 5, 3, 1, 5. Okay, so bam, 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 bam. Then you hit back to your 1 again. Bam. Okay, so bam, 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 bam. You understand? Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so dun 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 dun. Okay, so just I just want you to understand this first one before we dive into the next one. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Okay, so you do it like 2-1 again, 2-1, 2-1. So okay, bam, 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 bam. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, remember that from your 1 you're going to the 7. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. Then you come and play your 1 and your 1 again. That is your 1 root and your octave, and back to your 7. Okay, so dun, 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 dun. You see how it sounds? So dun, 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 dun. Okay, so you just need to take it slow. You can take it fast. It depends on the tempo, or you understand. So bam, 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 da, da, da. 5 3 1 5 1 2 1 1 1 7. Then you move to your 6. Okay, so let me teach you this one. Da 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 da. Back to your 1 and your 4. Okay, so 2 2 sharp 3 1 5 1 6. Now to your 2. 7 1 3 2 7 1 3 2 da, da, da. 2 6 5 1. Then you continue to your 4. You understand? Okay, so understand the first one, the second one. Okay, it is not compulsory for you to use all of it in a song. You can just pick 1 or 2 of these and apply to that song. You know that the progression goes the same with this. That is your 1 7. See, there's many songs out there you can get this kind of progression and you can apply this lick. Okay, so now let's move to the third one. That was a third lick and the same progression, dun, dun, dun. Okay, but this will be a little bit fast. Okay, so it goes like this, dun, 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 dun. Okay, so it goes like this, 5 6 7. Then you start from your 1. Okay, 1 you descend. Okay, so dun, 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 1 6 5 3. Okay, then 1 7. Okay, bam, 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 bam. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, then you do the same to the lower bass. So 5. So dun, 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 dun. 5 2 1 7. You understand? Okay, so dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that you make sure you don't get off the beat. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so that you see that you are still remaining, you are still in the groove. You understand? Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 10 note. Don't let it be more than the 10 notes. Don't let it below the 10 note. Let it be just 10 notes. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then you can continue. Okay, so 1 6 5 3 1 7. Okay, then 5 2 1 7. Then you continue, da 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 da. You understand? Okay, so I want you to just learn the lick to the 176. Okay, 176. The first one, the second one, and the third one. Okay, so you can just pick 2 or 3 of these licks, use them. Maybe you can even use them in another type of groove. Just learn them. It is very easy to use when you master how to play them. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.